So me have an exclusive. And when me say exclusive, if you don't know what I mean me have something when nobody else not have yet. One of the newest songs, one of the baddest artists in a dancehall. None other than the gold teeth, front teeth, Dan Gagan himself. Ninja Man, yo.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. You unstoppable, so now we are trained.
Welcome back my viewers. If this is your first time to Unstoppable TV and you're not hit that subscribe button yet, please consider hitting the subscribe button now and make sure you turn on all notifications. So once me upload a video, you will get notified. So people, guess what go on? You hear me tell you a while ago say me have an exclusive, right? Yeah, meaning a song where nobody no have yet. Me are the only one we have that song here so far. People, it not even mixed down yet. It not even master yet. It not even finalized yet. But me have it. And the song what me I talk about is from the gold teeth, front teeth, Dan Gagan himself, Ninja Man. So let me tell you the backstory. Here we go on. So Ninja Man can't link me again. And them say Unstoppable, you don't want it. Me say what? Them say Unstoppable, what you mean by what? The exclusive, the big bad lyrics where nobody else not have yet. But here we go on. It no mixed down yet, it no refined yet. But we just didn't want you get a little sneak peek at it because here we this song just that bad. And you see, because we rate you and we see what you do for the Gagan, we want you have it. So we say, alright then, send it forward. And people, this song bad for real. You see me? But before me even get to the song, let me tell you about this. Just about 2-3 weeks ago, me get a call too. I never want to cover the story, but I say, you know what, since me I do this right now, let me just throw it in this too. Yo, some of the people who actually work at the place there, when Ninja Man there, link me. And the man link me and say, yo, Unstoppable, here what? We see you put in the work for Ninja Man. We see what you say, but we are here whole heap of talks in the streets to Unstoppable here what we link you because we want you know the truth. Me say, alright, what the truth? The water said to me, say, me say water a while ago. But the water said to me, say, Unstoppable, here we go on. Way up on the ground in here and we see where you go on. People are talking about Ninja Man now get no respect in here, a lie. People are talking about say Ninja Man get this from other prisoners in here, a lie. The man say Unstoppable TV, let me tell you something. Ninja Man is one of the most respected prisoners in here, both from prisoners and the warder them. You understand? The man say, you see, for example, when Ninja Man cell get bust at daytime, all 20 prisoners line up there wait for the man to walk out time cell and show him bare respect. And the man say respect go from both ways. Because the man say, yo, Ninja Man show them respect too. Because anytime Ninja Man get anything from him commissary, Ninja Man make sure say the whole of the youth them in there and live good, is what the warder said to me. But enough about that. Let's get back to the music because Ninja Man address whole heap of things in that song here. Ninja Man address the heap of bleaching we are going in a dancehall. Ninja Man address even Tony Matterhorn. Yo. Ninja Man even address the people them who think say yo him did not go suffer when them lock him down. Yo people, take a little sneak preview of Ninja Man new song we are forward. But remember, it no mixed yet, you know. Alright.
Read this. All you could do is you don't want them like competition, man. What you know? You know me better than them. You deal with me. They lock me down and think say me did I go suffer. They never know say man a real bone crusher. Things say me did I go mad like butter, but enough man money get enough.
Yo, when you hear what the man say a while ago, them lock him down and think say him that go suffer. Them think him that go melt like butter, but enough him money get enough. You remember when time Monty they kind of speak up what they and say yo. People are talking about Ninja Man, but if Ninja Man want nothing, Ninja Man can always reach out to him. Yeah, big up to Bounty for that, but enough financial support Ninja Man want, you know. Ninja Man want the support of other artists in fellow co-workers them who have a name, who have a voice. If you speak up and say, yo, what? You remember the gold teeth Dan Gagan, Ninja Man, keep the man name alive. Is what I'm saying. So when time Ninja Man fans them speak out and say yo a time for free Ninja Man, you understand? And everybody will rebel and I say yo keep Ninja Man name alive and make the heads of heads. Here say yo the fans them want back a good man a road. We are gonna come and do some good things and try to influence the youth them. Is that the fans them a say. So them want to hear artists like Beanie, Bounty, Ellie, everybody else a rebel and a keep Ninja Man name active. It's just that simple.
Again, they lock me down and think say me did I go suffer. They never know say man a real bone crusher. Things say me did I go mad like butter, but enough man money get enough.
The man said the whole of them afraid of clash, them are nothing but waste. And that's something when me I say long time. Because guess what go on? You notice when me have a problem with the artists them where every minute them jump up and them a clash, them internet clash. That one here a clash, that one here a clash, that one here, and then you don't hear nothing about them again. Them drop 3 songs after each other and then them just disappear. The clash done. You don't remember when time real artists used to clash? Yeah, by real artists me I talk about Ninja Man. You see, when time the artists them used to clash and go, and then you know what the fans them in at the end can have a real face off in at the end. Lyrical face off me I talk about. You understand? And the fans them can say, alright, in the end now we can see the 2 champions them go up on stage and battle it out, and we can say that one here are the winner. But nowadays all them want to do is some little Instagram war and social media war, lyrical war me I talk about now, you know. And then it just fade away and done. And that's why the man say, yo, them are nothing but waste. All them want to do is on social media and a heart up the place. Be a heart. No! I know there's a clash go in a dance hall. But make we go back to a little bit more of the man new song we are forward.
What kind of place them a run? Me no see where them run. All me see are just tattoo man well bleed down.
I wonder who the man a talk about when him say that. I wonder who. All him see be a tattoo man well bleached down. I wonder who. But anyway, make me keep on my mouth. Speaking of keep on my mouth, the man a go address Tony Matterhorn right here so.
Versus Bunty Beanie, she a copy gong. Tell Matterhorn to go keep a him tongue. After me no new to this, and no job no ludi this. From me left foot I set me brain coming a town me true to this. And then can't get me out a bad man glued to this. I'm me sick, I me not take foolishness.
The man say Bunty and Beanie shake up the ground with verses. And that's true, you know. You know say Bunty and Beanie did really shake up the ground because verses never see a bigger show up on that platform other than Bunty and Beanie, you know. So the man shake up the ground and that's why the man say, yo, tell Matterhorn to go keep him out. You understand? Not in a disrespectful way, you know, because you don't know say Ninja not really diss him. But him just say, Matterhorn, keep your mouth, cause a good thing the youth them do. You see me and say, yeah, is what Ninja Man said. No, people, me nah make you hear no more. As me say, me just give you a sneak preview of the song. You see it? And the song bad though. You don't lie. If you don't want to hear the rest of it, you better make sure you stay tuned to Unstoppable TV and make sure you keep up with what go on with Ninja Man, because the song is being mixed and edited and mastered right now. And when the song done, it's going to drop so you can hear the full complete song. Because the man talk up 8 things in it. You see it? The man have bare lyrics. Whole heap of lyrics. You don't know Ninja Man already. The lyrics God, you don't know Ninja Man. The man will make song pan spot. The man will looking at your ear and make song about you right pan spot. As a matter of fact, let me show you what I talk about.
Ninja Man, you are going like your bad. And licking with lyrics make you get mad. Don't test me, you are this little lad. Ninja Man, you know you can't test me. You know who me name on TV. The biggest lyricist, Rowan Daly. Ninja Man, no, you can't test me.
Rowan Daly. That's when I see man like you come to one. You know what I say? Rowan, listen this carefully. What if maybe set an example then? Stepping on my side 10 but trample them. I tell you them, me murder from 1 to 10. You're not going to know the head different than the ankle them. Back and come out and me rifle them. Blood a cuggle in a throat and a stifle them. Copper not a rip it boil when it a poison them. Nothing forensic, not like them. Move cause, bullet a travel from me, not the boy and yam.
So no one remember what I talk about, no one remember. Say other man they can stand up right beside you and just look on you and make tune pan the spot. Boy, yo, Ninja Man him name. Watch on the man, talk to me down in the comment section, make me know what you think about the man new song, the little sneak preview when me give you know. And make sure so now wait for the real thing for actually drop. Alright? Now, the next thing what I want you to do, I want you comment in the comment section and tell me if you agree with Ninja Man about the bag of bleaching and tattoo thing too. Talk to me. Alright? Also, I want you to talk to me about when the man say, yo, the bag of waist clashing with the man do. We're not gonna know where we artists afraid to literally clash one another, but them want do it on social media alone and left it there. So you feel like that makes sense? Talk to me down in the comment section. Cause remember when the veteran them used to clash, you know, when Bunty used to go against Beanie, them did have a face-off on stage at the end. When Vibes Cartel a clash Movado, them have a face-off at the end. When Ninja Man a clash Super Cat, them have a face-off at the end. That is how me know clash go. Not just a little lyrical war on social media and then it just fade away and done there. So talk to me down in the comment section, people. More to hear from me. You watch on one. If this is your first time to Unstoppable TV and you have not yet hit that subscribe button, please make sure hit the subscribe button now and turn on all notifications. So once we upload a video, you will get notified. Until the next video, no matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable and I'm out.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.